Hello, I'm Clayton. Thank you for joining me. I wanted to show you guys something that I recently built. It is a bike wheel. I'll give you a little closer look here. Wow. Good thing it's a test. It is the, can I get that? Shadow Raptor hub. Whatever. Shadow Raptor hub laced to a Alex Supra E Pro. Ran into some complications with it because the hub is a 36 hole and the rim is a 48 hole. So you look at it from afar, it looks alright. You get close up, you can see, obviously, I could have a few more spokes in there. And due to the length of the spokes that I had to use, I was only able to use 32 in the hub. So there's two missing, one here, then on the other side, same thing, two missing. Came out pretty nice, I would say. Check it out.